Hey guys, Trent here from How To Haven with a quick wax tutorial. So if you want to stake your wax, there's two ways you can do it. If you have a cloud wallet, you can go to mycloudwallet.com, and when you find yourself at the dashboard, you can go to staking rewards on the left, and here you'll see the screen, and you can go over here on the left and stake an amount, or you can stake all your WaxP. I generally will stake an amount, and I'm always staking CPU for the resources, and as well as like the passive gain. I think it's around like 5 to 10%. I can't remember exactly. So you can put your amount here, and then hit stake CPU, and you'll get a confirmation. Boom, and now you'll see I have another 10 wax staked. You can also get net, but you generally don't need that at all, so it doesn't really make too much sense. And then next you can go, if you don't have a cloud wallet, if you have something else, you can go to waxblock.io. I'll put the links for everything in the description. And you can go sign in with your preferred wallet and go to wallet, and then you can either hit stake resources or manage CPU net. And you can basically do the same thing here. You could stake some CPU or net, just enter the amount you want or cook a percent, and then hit this. Boom, you get a little success up here, and now you've staked your wax. If this helped, please leave a comment, and thank you.